then surgery now we no sure mo abema abema adwin so yet ase wu. Your couple of surgeries. Ebia because of cancer.
Yeah.
Now say why surgery need 3 times the next say bia speculative.
Yes.
Na ne sure mo man no ye free.
I think yesterday was the last time you saw me.
Where the voice note our your man the girl matter.
I am not around. And if you find me, it is my body you find. I don't deserve to live.
Ebisia updates are back concerning a gospel artist. I am a bit able to say wa committee suicide Jacob Ajola. Me the Bible so say oja note bi I nam so a kese ode agene nkwa efe onu ankasa ne nsem na update aba etre say voice note speculate voice note no osende edema onu ankasa ne girlfriend. Aha, let's talk GH rumors. And any first timer or pop into my video, make sure say subscribe. Edia mama na fee. What click on notification bell so say the any upload be about sabitina can wash it. Now make sure say share na for and so share. Now I like it. Eddie amani. Na few days ago, me the someone say a musician be a brand fair. I said me the can be an my basa because I will host semi home. It is a lot of people are really going through a lot of things. Omuntimi informa nonka na abranti eje ono ankwa free nsem and then after that ne ebusuani release communicate omo de press release bi by say omo bestre say public no omo bre na police investigation into omo brother no ewu no che say ni nyina ba ye chi no another update aba na update aba no Ola Michael Neat FM ono ene de abetu dwa we voice note according to Ola obi a ben guy ne pa and send the man at say only the girlfriend why your voice note the man girlfriend na or children say more details of a dear and nam so a man jane nkwa efro no amensem voice note me by Ghana TV sending control say who be here say ye Ghana for ni be patronize made in Ghana goods said the be boa am my Ghana etimi afan entomapa efra ne santi no who be here say so we made in Ghana goods nkwa there be a short video. Now they are sending numbers near wall screen this on your bebon with the ram free. We yanchu movie answer with me a friend number no you know epetasa. I feel so by Ghana TV streaming live 247 Roku box. It's a streaming YouTube. Uko PM Google Play Store so app no bit me a download now near interactive. Na Jacob Ajolai ebi ana won share so performing minka yanka yan ka kramma a wotso nyoma musra ewo abranti is wankasa.
Baby muyata, kopimsa mi bai, era difie, mi di waya mi fie, waya mi fine, waya mi che.
Abranti no ani akwhye no to say a very nice gentleman to say no hu ye fie out to say or believing in God, even in the notes now was sending a crown. Ne kasa chere se wo you be an who any asem. Na Ola a player ye audio no yenkotie audio no nsem.
Bi ode krata no kohye. Na de tie ne say krata na wo kan no. Wo see why how many surgeries?
3 on the testicles.
I want the testicles. Ne say abrantia ne tiase no. Na our testicular and your friend said testicular surgeries are why like 3.
Yes.
Right? Okay. And was what a chassis 2022. That's a said why you sure mu surgery
2 years.
3 times.
Yeah. Also been a dead person like on one since 20.
And ni sure mu surgery now why you into who say where you tiase wo. Now, yen you know. Dear surgery now we no sure mo abema adwin so yet ase wu. Your couple of surgeries. Ebia because of cancer.
Yeah.
Now say why surgery need 3 times the next say bia speculative.
Yes.
Na ne sure mo man no ye free. Ye wo sure mo man free so wontimi nyinsen oba.
Yeah. Not just say only.
Eti no bema ye ni sure mo man no obeka so eden.
Or impotent.
Onye bema bi.
That's it.
Eti ase wu. Joshua no was a very good person. Or Hindan wa masaman.
Okay.
And no too free ni dem. ebetna sorry CAC Pig Farm ehɔ no kɔtena eti ne dan da amasama no ne rent ebeso November year be what you say na enam sa surgery na why no 3 times no and one life problems be a wo community and wo hunu say enough is enough opeso na answer no obey sa no wodi ka ye voice note first one am boy no beti so nam kwa ye ne the last one oye you eti baby omo ka se wodi no ho kosia aka no owie ya no koye sa de no
not he has given up.
It's in the first voice note. Yeah, you cry better to that.
Oh, yes.
Good morning. I'm doing this voice note because it has become very important for me to do it. It's going to be short. But I think yesterday was the last time you saw me.
Wait, the voice note, your man, the girl, matter.
I've done everything. I have poured out my heart at one sound because that's the last time I raised a sound with you unto the Lord. I presented you as an offering unto him and everything about you. I am not around, and if you find me, it is my body you find. I don't deserve to live. A lot has gone wrong.
Utie, I was say if you find me, it will be my body.
I'm spoken to God and I'm going home. So, I know you'll be fine. You'll cry, but you'll be fine. Forgive me. Forgive me. I hope your new friend, I know, the man of God, will be a blessing to you.
Tienio, was say I know you'll be fine. Or the man about, and I know your new friend, the man of God. What is he telling you?
Not just also ban new bema for ever. Oh, cheaty.
One of my greatest desires, which I feel that is being there for my family. Please, when you are settled, even before you are settled, if there's any way you can help my family, please do. Eben, Michael, and Michaela, Gifty, Susie, my mom. Please be there for them for me. Please be there for them for me. I have failed. There are a lot of things you hear about me. I know I have failed. There are a lot of things you hear. I know I have failed. But just bear with me. And just bear with me. Okay? God bless you. And God bless you. God bless you. I came to your home in the morning to give you the stuff you left. But I learned you were not around. I tried calling, but your phone has been off. That is not the basis for an argument because I can't argue with you over anything. But just that I left a letter at the premises under my pillow.
Ote, what's he saying?
I left the letter under my pillow.
I say just that I left a letter at the premises. Who's that? Me catch you as a letter we. Ojan was sorry.
Yeah.
And I say under my pillow. It will catch your banner say. Well, Jack ni suicide note to know. I want the pillow. I say. I was sorry because medical guy just say what you are now sorry.
Okay.
You are getting a story.
Yes.
It tells you who found the letter first.
And I say Susie or Banebe.
And you have Susie Martha
Nebe
Susie and Nunia. Nunia Mudino Bobo and Eben Michaela Michael Susie and a Gifty. And no ye Nunia no.
Yeah.
But Martha and what the letter man Martha we are so NS. And all catch and say, I know the new friend that you found. He's been very diplomatic. It's in a year one was going through psychological trauma, depressive mood.
Yes.
And I said depression. I nipa koso.
You can go pick it up. And God bless you. But the phone has been off. That is not the basis for an argument because I can't argue with you over anything. But just that I left a letter at the premises under my pillow. You can go pick it up. And God bless you. And I'll see you in heaven. I love you so much. Forever. You'll forever be my chupi. I love you.
Dear ni chupi. You forever be my chupi near there. My love. Gen Z for so the more words. Yes, no.
Also, please tell Eben that he should take Dr. Solomon Caris as his mentor he should pray more. He should learn the interior design from Accra Technical University and tell Ano and tell Eben that he should tell Ano to help him with the painting. We'll meet. Okay? I love you. Keep doing ministry. Keep doing ministry. Together forever. You'll forever be my chupi. I love you.
Yeah.
When me nyesho so bia saka o. Obi na frame no say bro la boy no madam for me nua no akopɛ. E send on the voice note a wojai asan wo.
Yeah.
Ocha nyame ado na nkwa wo ma. There's a third one ye ne wa. Me boy no so.
Na prezo na bibi ehye ho.
See, from my own me nhwehwɛ mu kakra me do sem no
fearing say perspective say
otiase. I think he had a post-operative depression.
Yeah.
Post-operative depression. Quick one. Ghana hano say yekoye obi surgery. On few occasions na ye money panico therapy. On few occasions. Ideally, because at least maximum bare 4 weeks to operation. Or say didn't pan go through therapy. Ekasa cheno operation there be yesere be a ehun tono so. Na owie so o say say the same therapy. Etinipa be go through surgery. After the surgery they go through post-operative depression. Now symptoms of post-operation depression suicide count. On the MHA, suicide eka feeling worthlessness eka irritability. A whole lot. You are not yourself. You don't feel yourself. You feel useless.
Yes.
It's you're not sure as a boy, no. Catch say he has been battling against his what? Mental health.
2022.
And now we should do catch your ban so to me say, apart from here, no. Beer. I have me speculative. Ebia ye ni sure mano. Every muntia wo hunu say onye bema bi no. He was going through the post-operative depression. Yes. Emani feeling useless. Emani feeling say wonyo bia. Na wa say hu say oba no so wadamfo. Utimi ga say o chiti. Go say wadamfo. Wa ye sofo. Wanchi om say o chiti. No say hu say oba no so wadamfo oba na tension wo ho. So it was combination of factors that was always weighing on his mind. When you be an in Ankasa, and I can't know your health system no so no, and you need and no man ye timi ye will be a so for therapy. It's ye dick and castle some why who can we if I had not listened to the voices, I wouldn't have known say he was struggling. A channel I met us or Bakubi wa Ojani Nuanenkra a channel to own free sorry ho. CSO because of the obeying tino. Ninya need to mean quite sorry. Ninya e benutim so dono pa. Yes. No so onko tenani dana aka 1 month ni. Ono aso no send the girl no note say on kan chere nyan say onko sua interior designing. You a chance ni nyan dana kuma so. Afi wo be chere de ku ni papa. E the same thing e ku ni papa. Tafi wo. Yes. The boy was going through a lot. As no jina sorry any more preaching. No otonyum etwe akra manyame. Ne mu no kra ebubu.
Abusia eye Jacob Ajola audio no eno ana yakutie aba ne meti akra no me ho ewu so kyese eye mabefo nkasa. Jite unnim eye na ebetima to bia because unnim de ebetima ba wutirim ama waye boni bi ne ebesire se onyankopon hye ye den. Na otwedi ampon embo yi nyina ho ban se de be ya adwumboni bi sei ana bia betimi agi obi kra na ye kra afi ensem sei entimi emma yiti mesro say any comment bi a wo no obeja e comment section ho e de amame mesro say na wa subscribe so de amame say any first time na wa like na wa share ama fofo abehye any update bi asa ba me de beba aba abeso mo medin e de na na pia santa makram